July 14, 2025. 6. Walson futures wobble on fresh tariff threats. Good morning. Also today, U.S. stock index futures dipped slightly as President Trump renewed his threats of 30% tariffs on EU and Mexican imports, fueling uncertainty ahead of this week too. Key inflation and earnings reports, the anchor reported informatively. Futures on the Dow and S&P 500 fell about 0.2%, while Nasdaq 100 futures were down 0.3%. Investors braced for Wednesday's soon CPI release and the kickoff of Q2 earnings from major banks like J.P. Morgan Chase, Wells Fargo, and Citigroup. At least 7 Fed officials are scheduled to speak, with markets largely dismissing a July rate cut but pricing in a strong chance for September, the narrator explained informatively. Goldman Sachs raised its year-end S&P target to 6,250, citing resilience amid policy noise. Meanwhile, Boeing shares climbed after promising Air India crash probe findings, and crypto-related stocks rallied as Bitcoin surged past $120,000, the narrator added insightfully. Now, let twos hear from Sara Patel of RBC Capital Markets. Tariff saber-rattling causes short-term volatility but often leads to last-minute deals. The real driver this week will be Fed commentary and earnings surprises, Sara Patel said analytically. As data and corporate results roll in, traders will pass inflation trends, profit margins, and Fed tone to gauge the next big market move, the narrator concluded.